A 17-year-old charged with killing two teenagers in Orange County is expected in court today. Issiah Ross is being tried as an adult in the deaths of 14-year-old Leander Woods and 18-year-old Devin Clark. WRL's Sarah Kruger is in Hillsborough for that hearing this afternoon. Sarah.
Jeff, that bond hearing is supposed to start around 3 o'clock, and there are still so many questions surrounding this case. We hope and expect to have some of those questions answered in today's hearing, which we do think will be significant.
17-year-old Issiah Ross will go before a judge again this afternoon, accused of shooting and killing 14-year-old Leander Woods and 18-year-old Devin Clark in September. Their bodies were found in a grassy field under power lines in Orange County. Unlike the last brief appearance, today's is expected to be more significant. Defense attorney Daniel Meyer is not involved with this case, but gave some insight on what to expect in a bond hearing.
So it's a huge step in the process.
The judge will determine a bond amount for Ross, which Meyer estimates will be somewhere between $1 and $5 million, considering the two charges of first-degree murder. Meyer says if the state knows a motive, we will likely learn it in court, as well as the state's argument.
Discovery being the state's case and the state's evidence against you tends to take a long time, and you can get from the bond hearings essentially the state's theory of the case, or at least a lot of evidence. You can get a lot of information from a bond hearing. Of course, on the defense side, you then have the flip side of how much information do I want to give up in the bond hearing to kind of try to justify my position.
And we are about 3 hours out from this court appearance. Of course, when it starts, we will be inside to bring you the very latest. Jeff and Renee.
A lot of interest in this case. Sarah Kruger, live for us in Hillsborough. Sarah, thank you.